In this example, you will create a map that displays the number of flats and apartments in local electoral areas. Scroll down the homepage of the Census Hub until you reach Theme 6, Housing. Click on the green 2022 button. In the search bar, type Theme 6.1 by local. Click the search button. Click on Table 6.1, Private Households by Type of Accommodation by Local Electoral Areas, Census 2022. The corresponding map will open. Ensure that the More Info icon on the left side is selected to view the default map. Click I want to use this on the bottom left corner of the page. Select Open in ArcGIS Online. Click Open in Map Viewer on the right-hand side. You are looking to display the number of flats and apartments in an LEA. To do this, click on the Labels button on the right side toolbar. If not turned on already, click the toggle Enable Labels. Then click Add Label Class. Select Label field, scroll or use the search bar to then click Flat/Apartment Number of Households. The number of flats and apartments in each LEA will appear on your map. You can use color to create a clearer visualization of the data. To do this, click on the Styles button on the right side toolbar. Click on Add Field. Scroll or use the search bar to then select Flat/Apartment Number of Households. Click Add. The Smart Mapping feature will default to a recommended format. In this instance, you might prefer to display the number of apartments using different shades for the LEAs. To do this, scroll down the Styles pane and click on Counts and Amounts Color. This allows you to see the distribution of flats and apartments in Ireland. A legend is displayed on the bottom left-hand side of the map. Legend intervals can be edited, but this can be left as it is for now. Click Done. To view the legend alongside the map, navigate to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click Legend. It is useful to find one data value as a percentage of another. In this case, we would like to find the number of flats and apartments as a percentage of the total. To do this, change the labels to geographic description. Navigate to the Styles button on the right side toolbar. Click on the Add Field button. Scroll or search for total number of households. Select Add. In the Styles pane under Pick a Style, click on Compare A to B. By default, this will display the ratio. To get this as a percentage, click Style Options. Under Labels, click on the downward arrow and choose Show A as a percent of B. Click Done. Click Done again. We are now interested in visualizing the number of households built from 2016 onwards by Dublin electoral divisions. Now you will add year-built data for permanent private households in electoral divisions. To do this, navigate to the Layers button on the left side toolbar. Click Add. In this Add Layer tab, click on the downward arrow beside My Favorites. Select ArcGIS Online. In the search bar, begin typing the keywords of the Census Hub feature layer that you would like to add. In this case, theme 6.2 by Electoral Divisions, comma, Census 2022. When your required feature layer appears, click the Add button. The layer has now been added to your map. Click the back arrow on the top left corner of the pane. To view just this new layer, hover your mouse over the original layer and click on the eye symbol. This will hide the original layer from view. Hide both layers by clicking on the eye symbol. Ensure that theme 6.2, permanent private households by year built by electoral divisions, is selected. This is denoted by the vertical blue line to the left of the layer title. Now click on the map. Using the scroller on your mouse or the plus symbol at the bottom right corner, zoom into Dublin. Navigate to the filter button on the right side toolbar. Click Add Expression. Under Expression, change the fields to County, is Dublin. Click Save. Return to the Layers button on the left side toolbar and unhide the layer Theme 6.2. Now unhide both layers and make sure that layer 6.1 is selected. Return to the Layers button on the left side toolbar and unhide the layer 6.2, permanent private households by year built by electoral divisions. Now unhide both layers by clicking on the eye symbol. Make sure now that layer Table 6.1, private households by type of accommodation by local electoral areas, is selected. Navigate once again to the filter button on the right side. Click Add Expression. And this time choose County is not Dublin. Click Save. We would now like to view the distribution of households built in 2016 or later in Dublin. To do this, ensure that layer 6.2 is selected. Navigate to the Styles button on the right-hand side toolbox and click Add Field. Scroll down or search to click 2016 or later, number of households. Click Add. Under Pick a Style, click Counts and Amounts Color. Click Style Options. Turn on the toggle for Classify Data. Then change the number of classes to 3 using the arrow or typing it into the box. These classes can be edited, but we will leave them as they are. Click Done. And click Done again. Now click the Legend button on the left side toolbar to view both legends. To export the map to a PDF, navigate to the left side toolbar and click Print. Under the Layout tab, give your map a title. Leave the page setup as it is and ensure that the file format is PDF. Above the Export button, click on Advanced Options. Here, tick the box Include Legend. Click Export. PDF file will appear under Exported Files. Click on the link to open the PDF in a new tab. You can download the PDF file by pressing the downward arrow to the top right of the PDF.